everyone. So once again welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to cover the official time in German. The video is all about the Offiziell Zeit. That is about the official time in German. Offiziell Zeit. How do we say it in German? It is Offiziell Zeit. So it is quite easy. Sehr einfach. Einfach means easy. It is quite easy to learn the official times. But before that, let me just tell you, before moving to official time, you need to know the number very carefully. You need to be very confident with the numbers. If you know the numbers, then you can just do the official time very confidently. Now, the thing is that if you haven't learned the numbers, then you can just go below and do check my video, do watch my video on numbers, then move ahead with the official time video. And one more thing, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, click on the red button below and subscribe it now. So now let's move forward. So let us move with a very easy example. So how do we say 8 o'clock in German? Actually 24-hour format. 24-hour format. So official time is based on our 24-hour format and it is quite easy. So how do we say 8 o'clock? That is 8 a.m. It is being referred to 8 a.m. That is 8 o'clock in the morning. How we will say? We will say 8 in German is acht. Then we put Uhr. Acht Uhr. Then now let's take the next one. Supposing if I want to say 9 o'clock. How I'll say? I'll say 9. 9 a.m. is 9 Uhr. It is actually a.m. 9 a.m. It is 9 Uhr. Then supposing if I want to use 10 o'clock. Again, it's quite easy. 10 Uhr. That is 10 a.m. 10 Uhr. Basically, I hope you get the idea that it is basically based on our time. Let's take 12 o'clock. 12 p.m. it is. 12 p.m. it is. So it is 12 Uhr. That is being referred to 12 Uhr. It is in the evening. 12 p.m. It's in the afternoon. 12 p.m. That is in the afternoon. So it was a quite easy format. So now let's take some complex one. If I want to say 8:40, how I will say? Again, it's easy, quite easy. We'll say acht Uhr, then 40 in German is 40. Basically, what you are doing over here, you are putting the first digit here at the very first place. Then you need to put Uhr in between. After that, you are putting 40. 40 you'll be putting 40 at the end. Means in between you need to place this Uhr. So I hope this is clear to you till now. Let's move to the next number. Let's suppose if I take the number 14:55. Okay, how I'll say? It means 14 is 2:55 in the afternoon. 2:55 in the afternoon is again 14 Uhr. Then 55. 55 is 5 und 50. 5 und 50. 55 in German is 5 und 50. Let's take one more example. If I want to say 23:35, how I'll say? Again, it is 23 in German is 3 und 20. 23. Then I'll put Uhr in between. Then I'll put 35. That is 5 und 30. 5 und 30. I hope it is clear to you till now. I hope you can just do the numbers over here. So now the question is that how do we say what's the time in German? If you want to say what's the time in German, how you are going to say it? We have the two ways or the two questions for asking the time in German. The very first one is, let's say, wie viel Uhr ist es? That means wie viel Uhr ist es? That is being referred to what is the time. Or we have one more option. Wie spät ist es? That is also being referred to time. What is the time? Wie viel Uhr ist es? Then we have wie spät ist es? What is the time? Okay, so how you are going to reply it in German? How you are going to answer it in German? See, es ist. So let's take it is 13 Uhr, that means 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We'll say es ist 13 Uhr. Okay. Then let's move to one more example. If I want to say es ist like 21:24. For example, I'll say 21 Uhr. Then 24 in German is 24 in German. I'm writing over here. It is 24. 24. So that's all about this topic. Now, what's your homework? The time at which you are watching the video, you need to write the time in the comment section. For example, it is like 6:48 in the evening. That is 1848. According to 24-hour format, you need to write exactly the same time in the comment. If you have any question, then you can just ask any doubt in the comment section, or you can just ask me on the Instagram also. I'm there on Instagram, and follow me over there and ask any question related to video over there. So that's all. Till then, cheers. Auf Wiedersehen.